In this video, I wanted to discuss all important angle of penetration. This is so critical in deciding between two stocks or a bunch of stocks because it makes you understand or recognize which stock has the highest potential for quick moves, and that's all anybody wants. Now, this is what I call, again, on my secrets videos. I'm sure if you've been a member for a while, you do understand the value of what I call the angle of penetration. Now, the angle of penetration is the angle at which the RSI, mainly on the weekly chart, but it can also be seen on the daily and the monthly chart. But the levels you need to watch for is what the stock does when it moves above these levels here: 50, 69, 0.10, and those three levels on the RSI. What you want is whenever a stock or the stock's RSI moves above the 50, the 69.10, or the 30.90, you want the angle of penetration to show a history of sharp moves above those levels, sharp moves, because what that does is tells you that the stock has power. Take a look at this one here. It doesn't matter what the stock is or the price level is. You can see there was evidence of a sharp move above 50. Again, another sharp move there above 69.10. Another sharp move there, and again another sharp move there. Now you'll notice that the angle of penetration is consistent. Look at the angle of penetration. The degree at which it penetrates those levels is the same. We are looking at the same behavior. Stocks have behavior. And you can see as of this week's trading only, the stock is up 66% after breaking out on these levels here. And you'll notice the stock has moved from, I would call it 40 cents all the way to about $2.50 in about 4 months. Again, the key here is the angle of penetration. The stock had already shown potential with this angle of penetration. So you have to watch it. Next time it starts moving, you realize that the angle of penetration could be the same again, and you need to be playing that angle of penetration for a quick move. Now, if we take a look at another stock here, and it is in the way of, now this is one we played perfectly. Again, on a weekly basis, notice the angle of penetration above 69.10. So we had initially not played this stock here. Now, when it came back and broke out here and again here, I was already watching it because I'd already seen this angle of penetration. Okay? And so when it comes back again, that's why the stock has done very well for us. It's already doubled in about 6 weeks, because the angle of penetration here would again be repeated here, and again is being repeated here. So watch out for the steep angle of penetration. This is why you'll find that most of the major stocks, the big large cap stocks, don't do well. Why? Because their angles of penetrations are very shallow, and hence they don't have that thrust, which is what we need. Watch out for the angle of penetration. This is one unique way to pick the most powerful, the absolute leaders in any stock market. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings.